What's the trend for American Express? Where will AXP go in the next couple of weeks and month? If that's what you're interested in, then keep on watching. Come to Remora TC to trade like a shark and not get eaten by one. Let's school together to protect and grow our money. Here is American Express on the daily chart. You can see very clearly a downward channel that American Express created since 2022. You can also see that in this October timeframe of 22, price started to bounce off of this trend line and continue its upward move. Finally, as we zoom in here, you can also see very clearly a bearish signal. This rising wedge is a bearish indicator, and as we are familiar with, usually there is a breakdown underneath this lower trend line. So when price breaks beneath this lower trend line, it should pull back quite a bit. As you can see here, I've indicated how far I think it will go. So this is a robust 12% to get down below this or retest support here where this gap was created. Now you might say, what caused that gap? Well, what's very interesting is on that day, earnings was released. American Express did not meet its earnings expectations, and yet price gapped up quite a lot and continued its upward move. So now let's go to the hourly chart to get a slightly better view of where things will be going. Okay, this is the zoomed in hourly chart. You can see the same upward rising wedge. You can see that price has been respecting this trend line very well, this lower trend line, this upper one. There's this big gap here that we are watching, and I feel that with the very obvious bearish divergence on the RSI and PPO, that price will break underneath this lower trend line and eventually get down to this 158 zone. Okay, there's a lot of support here, 158. So where do I think American Express will go? Well, in the next couple of weeks, 2 to 4 weeks, I feel American Express will have lower prices until it gets to support at about 158. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, share the content with your friends, and good luck with your trading.